Hi, it's Dr. Laura here, and this week we're talking about your body. If you've ever felt like your body has been sabotaging you, like creating a ton of anxiety, insane attention, just massive overwhelm, I would like to gently offer an alternative hypothesis here. That your body is not the problem. It's actually the first messenger for what's going on. Neuroscience shows that physiological shifts happen before conscious interpretation occurs. So what happens? Your heart rate speeds up, right? Your breathing tightens and shortens. You get tense in your muscles, often shoulders, right? So that's all happening. And it's only after that happens that your prefrontal cortex creates some sort of narrative of what's going on. Now, in spiritual language, we would say that the body is intuitive, and it is. In scientific language, they call it interoception, the ability to sense your internal state. But what we often do is we ignore that stuff, right? We override it. And that ends up fragmenting our full self because our mind and our body are not in sync. When we include what is going on in our body, then we can create coherence. So let's think about that. So before making your next decision, scan 3 points: your jaw, chins, your chest, which includes your shoulders, and your stomach. Okay? Just observe, because that's the whole point. What is going on? You're not quote unquote fixing them, you're getting the signal. All right? Now, let's do a little bit of that fixing. Let's lengthen the exhale much longer than the inhale. We're going to do a really long exhale here. All right, so take a nice deep inhale. Now a very long exhale. Let the physiology downshift before engaging our cognition. It's not about bypassing thought, it's about sequencing things in a better order. Understand the body first, then the mind. Then you can make better choices. Your intelligence is layered. When the mind and body collaborate, when they come together, you become steady, not reactive. And that right there is power. Just saying. Now, if you like the video, please do like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And please share. Share with everybody, all right? Thank you and namaste.